Anita Walker is keeping a close eye on the presidential campaign. Healthcare is one of the top issues, and particularly so for this Lee County, Arkansas resident.
That sounds good, don't it?
She's a home healthcare worker treating her sister Vanessa, who needs round-the-clock care after falling into a coma 15 years ago. But Anita requires treatment herself for diabetes and chronic shoulder pain from constantly lifting at work. Despite qualifying for insurance under the Affordable Care Act, commonly known as Obamacare, she had to wait nearly 12 months for coverage. But still, she's glad it exists for patients like her.
It's not a perfect solution, but it's the path to a good solution that helps people get to a point that they otherwise wouldn't have gotten to.
However, coverage alone is not always enough in a place like Lee County.
I don't care if you have the best, top, #1 rated health coverage in the world. If there are not local facilities for you to go to, health coverage is not doing any good.
Anita gave birth to her first child in this building behind me. It used to be the only hospital here in the town of Marianna, but as you can see, it's abandoned and has been closed down for years, meaning today there's not one single hospital in all of Lee County.
As we were talking earlier,
trying their best to fill the gap are staff at this non-profit health clinic led by Dr. Harry Michel. Most of his patients here are seniors and live below the poverty line, which makes dealing with health issues a challenge, but one alleviated, Dr. Michel says, by Obamacare.
There's a drastic, almost 90% change for those patients who were uninsured.
Patients like Vera King, who like Anita Walker also has diabetes, the #1 condition of all patients who come here.
We really don't eat right, you know. Some people can't afford it, as me trying to eat healthy, it's very expensive.
Health challenges remain, but in one of the poorest counties in the U.S., the hope is that a new president will build on the progress made by an outgoing one. Gabriel Elizondo, Jazeera, Marianna, Arkansas.